Oh, wow. Yeah, wearing a mask helps. Pandemic's not over. Wear a mask. It can't kill you. It's like socks and shoes. It won't kill you. All right. I'll put this in my pocket for now. Okay. Today's video. Real simple one. I could almost do it in my sleep. I'm going to change the air filter on the 03 Tundra. So I went to Walmart. Listen, that's the cheapest place to get your stuff. And they got the book. I looked up the number. Hopefully it's the right one. So let's open the hood and get it done. We could actually make this a one-take video because it'll be so good. I don't know if you noticed, the shirt I was wearing is from 2011. My God, that's the last time I was hot boating and really going all the time. Oh, just in case you're wondering, what we've got here is the V8 4.7 I-Force motor. And this bad boy is stock to the bone. It is so simple to change this oil air filter. There's 3 clips, and then there's a little spring one here that's slightly different. It's a wire hook. Then you just kind of wrestle. Well, I didn't get the rest of the hook. You pull it back and then it hooks off from the bottom. Yeah, that's it. And you sneak out your air filter. That's why I like these older trucks. Actually, not too bad, really. It's been in this truck now for at least 3 or 4 years. So I'm going to treat the truck to a new one. And supposedly, to get good gas mileage, this is one of the things you should change. Oh yeah, and the new one, being a Fram, looks just like the old Fram that was in there. Yeah, I don't see where they've substantially changed anything. Now you could, if you want, pull out any leaves or pine needles that are in the bottom of the air filter box, but that really doesn't matter. Slip it back in. Now remember, when you do this, if you do throw a coat or something stupid like a mass airflow, go back and look at your work. Maybe you've unplugged something. Check your fit. Everything seems nice. Okay, what am I doing wrong? This will teach me to catch myself on fire. Yeah, once you get it lined up right, you guys were in the way. And hopefully, when I start it up, I won't be blowing any codes. If you are, you've probably messed with this wire right in here. Leaned on it, broke on it. Something stupid on it. And, wow, motor oil looks really clean. Really, really clean. Fluid levels look good. I don't see anything right at this moment that appears to be leaking, dripping. Wow, for 229,000 miles, this thing's still pretty tight. I mean, I don't even have any rot here in the in any of the fender well spots that typically get rust and rot. Not happening here because I keep them cleaned out. Overall, she's tight. Problem is, so am I. Yeah. And I just changed the belt. That actually seems to have fixed my battery alternator problem. And see, this battery's brand new. 1121, that baby's fresh. Yep, looks good. Oh, it's got a few little, you know, sounds and issues and whatever, but overall, still a solid truck. What are you doing? All right, be good.